In this video, I'm going to show you an unboxing of the new NutriBullet. So let's have a look at it. Just arrived. Very excited. New stuff. It's like it's your birthday or something. Or it's like it's Christmas, so you can open new things. That is very nice. So Yuppie Chef sent me a card. Hi Karl, welcome back. Thanks for shopping with us. We hope the paring knives will make meal preparation a breeze. That's pretty cool that they send you a personalized letter. Natasha and the Yuppie Chef team, big shout out guys, that's flippin' cool. I love getting handwritten notes. Little personalized touch makes a big difference. So let's get in here and come have a closer look. Cool Yuppie Chef packaging, and there it is. Good old NutriBullet. Oh yeah, new one. We got the grey color. What do you guys think of that beautiful grey color? I quite like it. And I'm super excited to get this guy going. Take at that. We're looking good. We got the 8-piece set, 600 watt motor, super slim NutriBullet recipe book. Super slim, we're gonna get that. Super slim. Oh yeah. Very excited. And we got 2 paring knives. And we got a little orange magnet. That's quite cool. I like that. So we got our 2 knives. So let's get rid of that. And let's have a look at our sweet little NutriBullet. So there it is, our beautiful looking NutriBullet. And let's get it opened up and have a look at how we're looking here. Little pocket nutrition, pretty cool. To get the most out of life, you need to get the most out of your food. I like that. Super simple NutriBullet recipe book, nice. Oh, this is it. Check at that. Little plug. Check at that. Pretty damn cool. There are blades. Here's our short mug. This is definitely going to be used a lot. There's our long mug. Nice. And there is the machine. Check out that bad boy. Definitely like the grey. What color do you guys like? I think there's a red, blue, white and a grey. Let us know in the comments below what your favorite color is. Do you like the grey or would you pick one of the other colors? The plug out, sorted. Warning, to avoid shock, hazard or damage to the unit, do not immerse in water. Why are we going to run a NutriBullet underwater? Anyway, that's pretty cool. So there we have it. That's going to go in there. Oh, I got a cover on. It's cool way, right? So there we go. Screw in like that, and in we go. Boom! So we're going to test out our new NutriBullet, get a little smoothie going. We've also got these pretty cool Victorinox knives, and let's make our first smoothie. So we like a very basic banana smoothie, so we just smash up some banana, smash it in there. Normally put about 2 in there. Easy, knives are so nice. If you want knives for fruit and veg, these paring knives work like a boss. Just smash it in there. Whoopsie. Get a few little pieces in there. And the last little bit. There we go. And we like to smash a little bit of cinnamon. Get a little bit of cinnamon in there. Or Robertson spice. Smash that on top. And then a little bit of dairy. Get some milk in there. Fill that up. Oh, it's smelling good. Excited for that. Get the top lid on. This is the cautionary time. You must make sure that the blade is connected properly and it's screwed on safely. Then you can go upside down. And we're up and in here, ready to grind. So we're in there, hold it nice and firmly. And then you need to plug it in first. Make sure it's plugged in, otherwise it's probably not going to work. There we go. Plugged in and ready to go. And we're all sorted, done and dusted. Super excited to try that out. Get that last little bit in there. Oh, that is good. Get some in the moustache. And there you have it, our first smoothie in the NutriBullet. Oh yeah! Oh, that's good. I'm going to enjoy this. So if you want to check out where you can get a great NutriBullet like this, check out the link in the description below. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this, smash that like button. And leave us a comment below about what you think about the NutriBullet. Or if you think there's a better alternative, let me know about it in the description below. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one. Oh, that is so good. Pam Dan, come try this. Amazing. Amazing. I think that more though.